rise of neural networks marks a pivotal stage in the development of artificial intelligence, fundamentally altering how machines process information and learn. At their core, neural networks mimic the human brain's interconnected neuron structure, enabling computers to recognize patterns, make decisions, and improve through experience. This architecture allows for deep learning, where multiple layers of processing units analyze data more intricately than ever before. The significance of neural networks cannot be overstated. They are the backbone of many advances in AI, including voice recognition, image processing, and natural language understanding. Their impact on technology and society is profound. In healthcare, neural networks assist in diagnosing diseases with unprecedented accuracy. In finance, they predict market trends and optimize trading strategies. Moreover, they drive innovations in autonomous vehicles, making them safer and more efficient. However, with such power comes responsibility. The ethical implications of neural networks, such as bias in decision-making and privacy concerns, demand thoughtful consideration. As we move forward, understanding the intricacies of neural networks will be crucial in harnessing their potential while addressing the challenges they present, ensuring a future where AI benefits all of humanity.